Hey guys, I'm Dash and welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be about this makeup tutorial right here that I've been loving doing. I really love this look so much. So if you want to know how I achieved this look right here, just keep watching. But as always, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. So starting off with the Benefit Professional Primer right here. This is the hydrating one. For this video, I'll be using the Brush & Co. Ivory and Onyx collection brushes. I've been using their brushes for many years now already, and I always love their brushes. So this collection is very nice. So each and every brushes are super pretty. So I want to walk you through. The first thing is the foundation one. I've been using the Fenty Beauty foundation, the hydrating one, and I just used the foundation brush to just staple the foundation onto the skin. Remember to not drag it so you can get the most full coverage out of it. And one tip I always remember is if you have extra foundation, don't use it, just wipe it away. I know it's wasting, but if you're gonna be piling on the foundation onto your skin, it's not gonna look cute, okay? And then using the Fenty Beauty concealer, using the same foundation brush just to buff everything out, and it actually looks super nice. And now I'll be applying some powder using the deluxe powder brush. I actually really like this powder brush because it's dense at the same time it's so fluffy, and it has a very nice tapered shape. And just to use a mist right here from Avene to just make my skin not so cakey looking, I just spray that on, and then using the Precisely My Brow pencil from Benefit, and I'm just drawing my brows as usual. And next, jumping into your eyes, I'm using the Colourpop Cosmetic Whatever eyeshadow palette. I really like this palette a lot because the tones and the shades are actually super duper pretty for this look. So I'm taking like a orangey kind of tone at the crease and then focusing at the outer corner, and I really love the warmness and also the oranginess for this look. Yeah, I actually really like this palette a lot. And then taking a little bit of the chocolatey brown color to just make the outer corner much more defined. And I'm taking this beautiful coppery shimmery shade all over the lids to add a little sparkle, and another coppery shade at the bottom because I've really been enjoying like a sparkly bottom lash line. And here, as you can see, we cannot miss out a highlighty pot of color at the inner corners. And for my eyeliner, I actually skip out on using an actual eyeliner. I use this burgundy shade to line the eyeliner, and I actually love it so much, using like shadow as eyeliners. And this one right here is a jelly eyeshadow from Colourpop, and it really just adds the sparkle for the lids. I'm obsessed with this formula. Little bit goes a long way, so you won't look patchy. And I'm just topping up with mascara and finishing off with some false lashes. And next, moving on to the face makeup, I'm using this buffer brush from Brush & Co. to use it as my contour brush, and surprisingly, it actually works quite well. It's dense, but at the same time, because of the shape, it really gives a very structured contour look. And again, I really love the canmake bronzer right there. It really gives us such a beautiful bronze contour effect. So highly recommend that product right there. And next, using the blush brush. Oh my god, I think I'm in love with this brush right here because at the same time it's fluffy, but it also is like long and tapered, and it really just plays the blush super duper well, especially on the apples on the cheek. And then for the highlight, I just applied some Fenty Beauty like Hustler Baby highlight. I don't think I should use the brush because it's quite dense and it's not meant for highlighting brush. I just thought it could be nice, but if you apply with light hand, it actually could work. And last but not least, for lips, I'm using the syedewa Ferrarossa Beauty Liquid Lipstick shade in I Trust You. I love this shade so much. So yeah guys, that completes this video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!